In Chapter 23 of Harper Lee's To Kill a Mockingbird, significant incidents reveal the ongoing themes of prejudice and injustice in the society of Macomb County. The chapter begins with Atticus getting home late from work. He relates to his children, Scout and Jem, how Bob Ewell, the vindictive father of the raped girl, verbally abused and spat on him in public, swearing revenge for Atticus disgracing him in court. Cool-headed Atticus brushes off the incident, saying that if spitting on him pacifies Ewell's anger and saves him from beating his children, he is ready to tolerate it. Both Jem and Scout are agitated by the incident, but their father urges them to take the high road. Atticus's compassionate understanding of human nature makes him believe that Mr. Ewell's violent outrage would be the extent of his reaction to losing the case against Tom Robinson. He feels that Mr. Ewell, being a low-status, poor white man, needed an outlet to vent his frustration and humiliation he faced in court. In the middle of the chapter, Scout and Jem have a conversation with their sharp-witted Aunt Alexandra. She sternly warns Scout that it's not appropriate for a Finch to have anything to do with Walter Cunningham Jr., someone from a lower social status. But Scout sees past social divisions and recognizes Walter as her friend who's in a different social circumstance, not inferior to her. Alexandra's viewpoint illustrates the ingrained prejudice and classism persisting within even the Finch family. Later, Scout chats with Jem, who promises he'll do something about Alexandra's prejudiced views of the Cunninghams. However, the conversation steers to maturity and adolescence. Jem, who's about to come of age, and a naturally curious Scout engage in a deep conversation about social inequalities and unfair judgments. Jem also shares that he'd heard from Atticus about people wanting Tom Robinson to be executed without an appeal, showing the callous and biased nature of the jury. However, Jem believes there might be one person in the jury who wanted to give Tom a fair chance. The chapter ends with Jem having a newfound, albeit slight, faith in the justice system after discovering that there was a single juror, one of the Cunningham clan, who advocated for Tom. Chapter 23 showcases progression in the lives and perspectives of Scout and Jem. They face harsh societal realities such as racial and class prejudice, revengeful tendencies, and the unfair justice system while learning to cope from their fathers' and aunts' contrasting ideologies.